How to place your bobbin in the bobbin case correctly. There are two different types of bobbin cases. There is the industrial one and a home sewing machine one. I'm just going to take this out of here. So you're going to take the thread, the little tail here, and take it and go from left to right over your hand. So left to right. And that way you know which piece should go down into the machine. It's supposed to be like a hamburger when you hold it. And then put it into the bobbin case. And there is this little ridge right here. You can see right there. And you're going to put the thread right through that. And then after that, there are these little hooks to the right of it, right where I'm pointing. Hopefully it'll get focused. Right there. And you want to put them in between the two hooks, right underneath that first one. And the thread is going to be pulling out nice and easily from that direction. And you can't really see it, but the bobbin's winding that way. And you just want to double check. You can see it much better in person, but you just double check and then you place it into the machine. And then here's how you do it for the home one. It's basically the same thing, but it's a little bit easier to see. So from left to right, it's going to be like a hamburger again, and you're going to place it, the bottom, into this. It's like a hamburger. Put into that groove. Go in between the two needles so you can see that there is a little bit of a difference. And then you can see it turning on this one as well. And you're good to go.